Hey guys, RR Expert here. Gonna give you some examples. So let's try to do 4 or 5 trades, and again just on a 5-second chart, so that you guys don't have to wait very long. I don't have to wait very long, and the video doesn't need to be very long, you know. So everything that we're doing, or that we did previously on the 4-hour candle, the 1-minute candle, whatever candle, you can apply on these candles, you know. Again, I'm just looking at very high probability environments where I'm trying to enter. So I'm thinking the price might go here, and then I'm entering here and getting out here, you know. So that's basically what is happening. And because there is a lot of volume, like every move is going to be a lot. Yeah. So let's look for the next one. Let's see if it does want to go up first and then down, and then we try to look for a short. Yeah, but I'm not confident. I mean, I think the price does want to go down, but let me see if there's going to be a retracement, because I can enter here, but then I have to put my stop loss here. It's going to be a big stop loss. You can see the amount of volume, so we have to be careful. So, and then I'm just going to grab this move here. And so this move has now already happened, but let's see if it does want to reject here again and then go down. So you're not just going to enter here, you want to have confirmation. That's what I'm saying. Confirmation can be millions of things, but those are the things that I can teach you. So while it's doing this, I'm going to go to gold and see what gold is doing. Okay, so the price is trending here, so you're not going to know when the bottom is going to be. So I'm going to ignore this one. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go long here. Sorry guys, OBS. So this is not good, but OBS crashed. See, trading. So you can see these are the trades I did, but OBS crashed. So again, let me see. Let's turn this off. Let me put my stop loss here where it is supposed to be. So I don't like this. Yeah, so I'm going to collapse this, because when it's just going sideways, if you've been watching my previous videos, I want to see big candles here, but it's not giving me those candles. Even if it goes up, it doesn't matter. You know, I just don't want to lose anything, and that's because of this, you know, risk management. Let's go short here. As a late entry man, I'm not really focusing, but price does want to go down here, so I'm just going to grab this. And so this is what you can learn, you know, you can learn how to switch bias, you know, I mean, I don't believe in bias when you're scalping, you know, scalping, in my opinion, is just what you're seeing in these videos. But, you know, you're seeing it. Sometimes I go long, then I go short, you know, everything is possible. That's the beautiful thing of this method, you know. So let's go along here, because well, let me see, how many trades did we do? Somebody asked me in the DM, so why would you trade on the 5-second charts? Well, one of the reasons could be if there is lots of volume and you want to minimize risk, you're going to look on the 5-second charts, you know. So there are thousands of reasons, you know, and everyone has their own their own reasons. If you're, for example, impatient, but the downside is it's going to be a lot of risk, yeah, because on the higher time frames, you're going to have the confirmations are easier, yeah, but you have to be patient. Let's see if we can do one more trade. Maybe it wants to reject one more time here. No, so it doesn't. So again, you see, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm going to go long, but then it does this, and I'm saying no. And I wanted to go short here, but you know, when it gives 3 candles like this, it might seem like it wants to consolidate, but then it just goes down. So, but again, you're not entering, so you're not losing anything. So let's do one more trade here. I'm going to re-enter again because I'm confident price is going to go up here. You know, this very sensitive price level here. And it's just giving this resistance, you know. Yeah, so let's just grab this. Again, so guys, if you're watching the video till the end, because a lot of you don't watch everything because you think there's some kind of secret, you know, and you guys keep falling for this shit. But if you watched all the way till the end, you're seeing how high probability these entries are. And that's the problem. A lot of you, when we talk about reasoning, you guys are like this crazy mindset. I want to go and grab 700 handles. And nobody's showing the proof. So, guys, if you want to learn this stuff, join the Discord. Okay? Bye-bye.